Welcome, coin enthusiasts and treasure hunters. Imagine holding a piece of history that could transform your life forever. Today, we're diving into the incredible story of the 2004 and 2017 Australian 20-cent coin. Rare bicentennial gem that's worth millions in today's market. This isn't just a simple piece of metal. It's a treasure so valuable that it could make you a billionaire overnight. If you're lucky enough to have this coin in your collection, you might be sitting on a fortune waiting to be discovered. Stay tuned as we explore everything you need to know about this extraordinary coin. First, we take a deep dive into the Australian 20 cent from 2004. Numismatics has always captivated collectors and history enthusiasts alike, but the 2004 Australian 20 cent coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II is in a league of its own. This remarkable coin isn't just a piece of currency. It's a symbol of rarity, cultural significance, and immense value. Estimated to be worth $44 million in today's market, this coin has the potential to transform ordinary people into overnight billionaires. But what makes it so extraordinary? Let's delve into the coin's historical background, unique features, and its immense value in the numismatic world. Released in 2004, this coin was minted to commemorate Australia's rich history and heritage, coinciding with significant bicentennial celebrations. The year marked pivotal moments in Australian history, making the 20-cent coin a tribute to the nation's journey over 2 centuries. The obverse side proudly features Queen Elizabeth II, a consistent figure in Commonwealth coinage, while the reverse design reflects a snapshot of Australian culture, flora, and fauna. Rarity is the cornerstone of a coin's value, and the 2004 Australian 20-cent coin is no exception. With extremely limited mintage and several variants created for testing purposes, only a few examples exist today. Many of these coins never made it into circulation, and the select few that did are now prized possessions of avid collectors. Additionally, minting errors or unique characteristics in specific batches have skyrocketed their value. The coin captures the essence of Australia, from its depiction of Queen Elizabeth II, representing the nation's ties to the British monarchy, to its reverse design showcasing local themes. Each element tells a story, serving as a bridge between Australia's colonial past and its modern identity. Its place of origin, the Royal Australian Mint in Canberra, further elevates its historical importance. The geographical exclusivity of this coin enhances its allure in the global market. The 2004 Australian 20-cent coin has a standard diameter of 28.52 millimeters and a weight of 11.31 grams. Composed of 75% copper and 25% nickel, it maintains a silvery sheen that appeals to collectors. The obverse side, designed by Ian Rank Broadley, features an intricate profile of Queen Elizabeth II. The reverse, often a subject of admiration, is a work of art, meticulously detailed with Australian motifs. These technical features contribute to the coin's uniqueness and desirability. Several factors contribute to the coin's staggering value of $44 million. First, its extreme rarity makes it a must-have for elite collectors. Second, the historical and cultural significance of the 2004 bicentennial celebrations amplifies its appeal. Third, the flawless craftsmanship and occasional minting errors make it a treasure. Lastly, the coin's demand far exceeds its supply, driving its price into the stratosphere. Coins like the 2004 Australian 20-cent coin prove that numismatics can be much more than a hobby. It can be a life-changing investment. Imagine finding such a rare gem in your collection and instantly becoming a multimillionaire. The numismatic world is full of hidden treasures, and this coin is a shining example of how a single piece of currency can turn dreams into reality. Given the coin's immense value, it's crucial to ensure authenticity before making any transactions. Experts recommend consulting with certified numismatists or trusted auction houses. Look for distinct features, minting marks, and other unique identifiers that set it apart from regular 20-cent coins. Investing in professional grading services can also help validate the coin's rarity and condition. The 2004 Australian 20-cent coin isn't just a piece of metal. It's a gateway to history, wealth, and prestige. Its rarity, cultural significance, and sheer value make it one of the most sought-after coins in the world. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a curious enthusiast, this coin represents the ultimate numismatic dream. Who knows? You might stumble upon one in your collection and join the ranks of billionaire coin collectors. And secondly, we take a look at the 20 cent of Australia from 2017. When it comes to rare and valuable coins, few can rival the allure of the 2017 Australian 20 cent coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II. Often dubbed a numismatic masterpiece, this coin is not just a collector's item but a potential ticket to unimaginable wealth. With rumors of its value reaching an astounding $44 million in today's market, this coin has captured the attention of collectors and investors worldwide. But what makes this seemingly ordinary coin worth millions? And how did it achieve such legendary status? Let's dive into its fascinating story. The 2017 Australian 20 cent coin holds historical importance as it commemorates Australia's bicentennial celebrations. While the coin itself might seem like a typical circulation piece, its significance lies in its limited mintage and the special design that sets it apart. The reverse of the coin features a stunning depiction of Australia's bicentennial symbol, marking 200 years since European settlement. This unique feature makes it a standout in the world of numismatics, as collectors are drawn to its cultural and historical importance. Australia's Royal Mint is renowned for its exceptional craftsmanship, and the 2017 20 cent coin is no exception. Struck in Canberra, this coin is part of a series that reflects the country's rich history and diverse culture. Its connection to Australia's geography adds to its allure, as it represents the land of breathtaking landscapes, wildlife, and unique heritage. Coins minted in limited quantities with historical themes tend to gain significant value over time, and this coin is a prime example. The specifications of the 2017 Australian 20 cent coin add to its numismatic appeal. It is composed of cupronickel, with a diameter of 28.65 millimeters and a weight of 11.31 grams. The obverse features the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley, while the reverse showcases the bicentennial emblem. The flawless minting process, combined with its limited production, ensures that each coin is a masterpiece, making it a highly sought-after collector's item. What truly drives the astronomical value of this coin is its rarity. Rumors suggest that only a handful of these coins were ever minted, making them nearly impossible to find. Collectors and numismatists understand that rarity and condition are key factors in determining a coin's value. With demand far exceeding supply, the 2017 20 cent coin has become a treasure that collectors are willing to pay millions for. Some auctions have reportedly seen bids climb into the tens of millions, fueled by fierce competition among bidders. Numismatics, the study and collection of coins, has always been a lucrative field for those who understand its intricacies. Coins like the 2017 Australian 20 cent piece exemplify the potential of this hobby to turn into a profitable investment. Many collectors start with small acquisitions, only to discover rare gems that can transform their fortunes overnight. The value of this coin is a testament to the importance of preserving history through numismatics, as each piece tells a story of its time and place. Imagine finding a 2017 Australian 20 cent coin in your pocket change, only to realize that it's worth millions. Stories of such discoveries are not uncommon in the world of rare coins. This single penny-sized treasure could catapult an ordinary individual into the ranks of billionaires. The possibility of owning such a valuable piece makes it a dream for many, inspiring them to search for rare coins in their collections or investments. For investors, the 2017 20 cent coin represents more than just a collectible. It's an asset with the potential for immense appreciation. The coin's value has skyrocketed over the years, and experts predict that it will continue to rise as its rarity becomes even more pronounced. Unlike traditional investments, rare coins offer a tangible connection to history, making them both emotionally and financially rewarding. This coin is a perfect example of how numismatics can be a lucrative and fulfilling venture. The 2017 Australian 20 cent bicentennial coin is a true gem in the world of rare coins. Its combination of historical significance, exquisite design, and unparalleled rarity has made it a legend among collectors. With a rumored value of $44 million, it has the power to change lives and inspire dreams. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or a casual enthusiast, the story of this coin is a reminder of the treasures hidden in plain sight. So, start checking your change. You never know when you might stumble upon a fortune.